Rocket by Utility's automated license plate recognition system is a force multiplier for law enforcement. The Rocket ALPR system, whether mobile or fixed, uses artificial intelligence to analyze vehicle registration plates, cross-checking with local, state, and federal hot lists from the Polaris platform. The system can be utilized with vehicles moving at high speeds, while parked as vehicles are passing, at night in low light conditions, and for mobile or fixed deployments. As an officer goes about their shift, Rocket ALPR runs continuously in the background. Cameras mounted on the vehicle feed video into the ALPR system at the edge. The AI engine analyzes the data. When a match is detected, automated alerts are sent within a fraction of a second to the officer in the vehicle, to dispatch, and officers within proximity. Dispatchers and officers can also inject BOLOs and crime information bulletins into the system for wanted vehicles through Polaris. ALPR immediately pulls down the list data. The system never rests, passively collecting metadata, including date, time, and location for all plates, flagged or not. Through Polaris, plate runs can search historical data to locate vehicles of interest, develop investigative leads, and solve cases. The Rocket ALPR system has many benefits. It utilizes the Rocket powerhouse for connectivity to the cloud. The high-performance AI engine processes multiple camera feeds in real time and ingests local BOLO data while continuously updating. It mitigates risk to officers approaching a vehicle, providing location and enhanced situational awareness. The intuitive interface provides alerts to the patrol officer, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional LPR, so agencies can equip more vehicles. Rocket by Utility's automated license plate recognition system, a force multiplier for law enforcement. Utility's universe of solutions, built to work together to provide ease and clarity through technology.